आ गए सभी, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज का गेम।
Hello students, welcome to another video of online classes at home. Today in this video we are going to cover grammar section for class 8th and we are going to learn about the usage of the words any and some. These are two words which can be really confusing and to use at some times. So in this video we will learn about how to use these two words and we will take a look at where to use these words according to the rules given. Okay students, so let us start the video. So in the Go Grammar section of your book we have this topic any and some. First of all, we will take a look at some examples that will tell us what is the basic difference between any and some. The first sentence here is, not having anything else handy, he gave each of his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. So in this sentence, this is a sentence that the king says to Princess September in the lesson, and he says that the narrator says that the king did not have anything else, so he gave his daughters a green parrot in golden cage. So basically the word anything here tells us about the negative feel of the sentence. Okay, in second sentence, maybe it's time to send you to bed without any supper again. So again in this sentence we have used the word without with any, so it is also having a very negative feel. Okay, in the third sentence also, I can't go anywhere right now. In this sentence also there is a negative sentence. So in all these three sentences any is used in negative sentence. In general it is used in negative sentence, and on the other hand some, something, someone or somebody can be found in positive sentences. Okay, and any, anything, anyone, anybody can be found in negative sentences or in questions. So basically सम को हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस के अंदर इस्तेमाल करते हैं एंड एनी को हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में या क्वेश्चंस के अंदर इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो वी हैव अ टेबल हेयर एंड इट हैज़ सम मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सम एंड एनी. सो the sentences below the sum column, he can't come now, he has some work to do. So in this sentence also we have seen that there is a possibility of doing some work, so it has a positive sense. In the second sentence, hello, there is somebody at the door, and also in the third sentence, I'm hungry, I want something to eat. So these all three sentences have a very positive feel, so the word some is used here. Whereas in the any part, he is free, he doesn't have any work. So itself in the first sentence we have the negative feel using the word not, does not. The second sentence, is there anybody at the door? No, there isn't anybody at the door. So this is a question in which any can be used. Okay, so the answer expected here is also a negative sentence. So basically in questions and in negative sentences we can use any, and in positive sentences we can use some. So here also we have some more sentences which we can use, in which we can use any. The first sentence here is, she went out without any cash. So basically the line have the meaning that she did not take any cash with her, so it has a negative feeling. The word not is used here. In the second sentence, he refused to eat anything, he did not eat anything, so here also the feel of the sentence is negative. And hardly anybody uses a landline now. So in this sentence also the meaning of the sentence comes out of a negative feel. So in most questions we use any also. Okay, So apart from the negative sentence, we use any in most questions, whether it can be the expected negative answer or expected positive answer. Okay, so the first question here is, have you got any luggage? No, I haven't. So in this sentence, the expected answer is no. So obviously any will be used in this sentence. As you can see in the second sentence, has anybody seen my mobile phone? Yes, it is under the table. The answer is in a positive field, but there is a question, so we use any here. Okay, we use some in questions when we expect the answer yes. काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं जिनके अंदर हम ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आंसर येस हो. सो इन दोज क्वेश्चंस वी यूज़ द वर्ड सम. लाइक इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग, इज़ समथिंग मिसिंग फ्रॉम योर बैग. तो इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर वो ये पूछ रहा है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या तुम्हारे बैग से कुछ गायब है. तो इसका एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर क्या हो जाता है? इसका एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर है कि हाँ, मेरे बैग से कुछ गायब है. So when the expected answer is yes, so we use the word some here. Okay, we use some in questions when we offer to ask for things also. So अगर हम किसी को कोई चीज़ ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर भी हम some इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, would you like something to eat, or can I have some sugar please? So these are some sentences where we can use some when we offer some things for asking. We often use any after if. if जो वर्ड है उसके बाद भी हम any को इस्तेमाल करते हैं, whether it can be direct or it can be indirect. For the direct example, we have some sentences here. If there are any common office mails, can you forward them to this ID? So इस सेंटेंस के अंदर हमने पहले if का इस्तेमाल किया, उसके बाद हमने any का इस्तेमाल किया. बट अगर हमें उसे इनडायरेक्ट बनाना है, इनडायरेक्ट मीन्स कि हमने सेंटेंसेस में इफ़ इस्तेमाल नहीं किया, बट स्टिल द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज़ ऑफ इफ़. जैसे हम यहाँ पर एक नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, आई एम सॉरी फॉर एनी ट्रबल दैट आई माइट हैव कॉज्ड. सो बेसिकली इन दिस सेंटेंस इफ़ इज़ नॉट यूज्ड. द वर्ड इफ़ इज़ नॉट यूज्ड इन दिस सेंटेंस, बट the meaning of the sentence is that way. Okay, इस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग क्या निकलता है? इस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग ये है कि अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हुई है तो प्लीज़ मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए. सो all of you know that the meaning of the word if is अगर या यदि. So apart from that, we also use any in the meaning where it does not matter which. Okay, so basically we also say the word any in sentences in which we have choices, but it does not matter that which choice do we have to make. हम any को उन sentences के अंदर भी यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पर हमारे पास choices हैं, लेकिन हम ये नहीं बता सकते कि कौन सी choices हैं या कौन सी choice को हम choose करेंगे. So for example, the first sentence is here, you can catch any bus, they all go to the beach. Okay, so basically इसके अंदर फील ये है कि आप कोई भी बस पकड़ लीजिए, आप कोई भी बस पकड़ेंगे वो सभी की सभी बीच पर ही जाती हैं. So it does not matter which bus you catch. So the word any is used here before bus. In the next sentence, which song shall I sing? The answer is any song, it is fine. So basically the feel of the sentence is that it does not matter which song you sing. Okay, कोई भी कोई भी आप गाना गा दीजिए, it does not matter. So after that, while comparing something and anything, we have two sentences here. I am hungry, I want something to eat. And the next sentence is, what would you like? I don't mind anything. So in the first sentence वी हैव यूज द वर्ड समथिंग कि मुझे भूख लगी है, मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए चाहिए। लेकिन जब सामने वाला पूछता है कि आपको क्या खाने के लिए चाहिए, आई डोंट माइंड एनीथिंग, कुछ भी दे दीजिए, इट डज़ नॉट मैटर, कुछ भी खाने के लिए मिल जाए, दैट डज़ नॉट मैटर। सो हम समथिंग वहाँ यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पर हमें कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए होता है, बट एनीथिंग हम वहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पर कोई मैटर नहीं करता कि हमें क्या चाहिए। ओके, सो दैट इज़ द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन समथिंग एंड एनीथिंग। आफ्टर दैट somebody, someone, anybody and anyone, these are singular words। ये सिंगुलर वर्ड्स हैं तो सिंगुलर नाउन के लिए ही इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं। सो वी यूज़ अ सिंगुलर वर्ब विद देम, बट वी ऑफन यूज़ दे, देम, देयर आफ्टर दीज वर्ड्स। ये सिंगुलर वर्ब के साथ इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, बट स्टिल कभी कभी the words they, them and their are used after these words. So for example, the first sentence here is someone has forgotten their umbrella. So अब हमें ये नहीं पता कि किसने अपना अम्ब्रेला भुला दिया है। ओके, सो कौन अपना अम्ब्रेला भूल गया है हम ये नहीं बता सकते, बस हमें ये पता है कि कोई ना कोई तो ज़रूर भूला है, वो लड़का भी हो सकता है, लड़की भी हो सकती है। So that is why we use the word their umbrella, okay, because we don't know that it is a boy or it is a girl, okay, it is a man or it is a woman. So same as in the next sentence, if anybody wants to leave early they can. So second sentence के अंदर भी यही है कि अगर किसी को जाना है जल्दी so वो जा सकते हैं। So still I am saying that anybody wants to, if anybody wants to leave early, if use हो गया तो हम anybody use करते हैं। So अगर किसी को जाना है so वो जा सकते हैं। Anybody is used as a singular word, but we don't know that the person living is a boy or a girl, a man or a woman, so we use the word they. Okay students, so these are the rules in which we use any and some in sentences. So basically any is used for negative and some is used for positive. Any can be used in question and after if, and some can be used for some quantity, okay, that we don't know. So these are the rules of the usage of any and some. Okay students, so this was your today's class. I hope you all understood it very well. If there is any problem, then you can watch the video again and please let me know if you have any problem. Okay students, so that was all for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, be safe, be happy.